Step into MOBALON, where the magic happens daily. Mr. Hair Art in the building, serving looks that never fail me. Piano keys dancing while I'm fading up your sides. Jazz horns blowing smooth while the clippers be my guide. Used to watch my pops work, scissors moving like a painter. Now I'm running my own shop, legacy that can't be faker. Every chair tells stories, every cut's a conversation. Mixing beats with Bach, creating hair transformation. And the chair we trust, where the artistry flows. Mr. Hair Art, MOBALON, everybody knows. From the fade to the shape, of precision in my hands. Classical meets the street, now you understand. In the chair we trust, where the legends are made. Every snip, every clip, got you feeling upgraded. MOBALON is the place where your confidence grows. Mr. Hair Art, that's the name everybody knows. Violins playing while I'm lining up your beard. Saxophone smooth like the way your cut appeared. I remember grinding hard, sweeping floors for years. Now I own the whole block, made it through my fears. Clients coming back because they know I bring that fire. Every haircut tells a story, every style takes you higher. Jazz and rap colliding while I'm working on your crown. MOBALON the kingdom, Mr. Hair Art holds it down. Morning rush to the evening close. Every client leaves here looking like the most. Classical training mixed with street smart skill. MOBALON forever, this is what I build. Yeah. Chair we trust, where the artistry flows. Mr. Hair Art, MOBALON, everybody knows. From the fade to the shape, of precision in my hands. Classical meets the street, now you understand. In the chair we trust, where the legends are made. Every snip, every clip, got you feeling upgrade. MOBALON is the place where your confidence grows. Mr. Hair Art, that's the name, and everybody knows.